Hey guys, I am filming a soft look today. I have Lashes On by Nelly and I'm going out just for a cute dinner, so nothing too fancy. I'm going to start off with the Bronze Palette by Kylie. It's just a really good neutrals palette. I'm going to use this shade just here. I'm going to pop that on the outer corner of my lid, drag it across and up into the crease. So just like a one flat color all over the lid and blending it out. I've got a little bit too much product, so I'm just going to bring the rest over to this side. Then I'm going to use some of this color just here. It's a nice shimmery color. And I'm just going to pop that over the top. Then I'm going to use some of the French Vanilla Kylie highlighter or Kylighter. I'm just going to pop a bit on the top of my brow bone and sort of blend it in down into that other color. And using a smaller brush, just getting it into that inner corner of my eye. So I've come slightly obsessed with these, the Quick Flick. It's just so good because I'm always in a rush to do my own makeup. Like all day, I have all this time set aside for my clients, and then it comes to the end of the day for me, and I literally have like a few moments to get ready. And it tells you which side, so this is the right side. It's got a little R on the cap here. The trickiest part of this is positioning it in the right spot, because you literally get one go at pressing it, and every time I always press it wrong because I don't hold it down. You need to hold it down. Don't lift it like I do. I lift it every single time and then I'm like, oh, I didn't press it hard enough and it doesn't transfer enough. It will transfer if you push properly. I'm just a little bit silly in that way. Then you just use the other thin tapered side and just do the rest. This time I held it down properly. So much better. So yeah, don't let go, like press it. When you press, commit, like commit to the press. I think I was like a little bit scared first and I didn't commit to the press, and that's my problem. As you know, I do like a good powder brow. So I'm using just an angled brush and I like to just fill it in. I do have quite a full brow and a lot of hair. And as you can tell, I'm obviously so in love with this brush. The condition of it is absolutely terrible on the stick of it, but it's probably the best eyebrow brush ever, and I can't find one to replace it. So hopefully at Beauty Expo this year, they will have these brushes again, because like I'm literally in love with it, in love. Always going to hydrate with that Tatcha oil. I do not have my nails done. I'm so sorry, they look terrible. I'm trying to grow my nails. Trying to grow my natural nails. But it's actually really hard. I'm using the All Nighter foundation. So good. Does what it says, it lasts all night. So I got Invisalign for my one little crooked tooth at the front. Everyone's like, you're crazy. You got Invisalign for one crooked tooth? You got Invisalign for one crooked tooth? You're crazy. And I'm just like, not really, but I have wanted this done since 2015. I remember going to the dentist in 2015 saying, I hate this tooth. What can we do about it? So I have two of my front teeth, not both the two middle ones. One of the middle ones and one of the side ones are fake because I smacked them out when I was a little girl, like about 12 years old. And I was in a spa, underwater, breathing over a jet. So silly. And someone jumped in the spa, jumped on my head, and smashed my two teeth out. So since I was 12, I've had two half-baked teeth at the front of my face. Now, they made these teeth too big when I was a child, not enough room for my mouth to mature and grow, and it's now pushed the other teeth sideways ever so slightly and made them go behind. This is the MAC concealer. I'm using it as a contour. So it's made the teeth go and turn ever so slightly. And every time I smile in photos, which I will show you on like my progress of Invisalign, the tooth that has moved sort of half behind is shadowed in photos, or well, only really in photos, or in the wrong light it looks like I have a black tooth because it is shadowed. So they're going to move that, and it's supposed to take about 3 months to move it, and then I'll be braces free again. And yeah, so that's really all I needed it for. But yeah, I'm really super excited about that because I'm getting heaps self-conscious about my smile. I wouldn't smile with my teeth. I keep smiling with my mouth like closed. And I'm just like, just bronze around the edges. This is my new favorite highlight, the butterscotch one, and it is so nice. This is the Sugar Glow kit, so it's just this one down the bottom. And I always bring it around. Like onto my forehead and down my nose and my Cupid's bow. And I always use this top left. It's like my favorite. Oh, I love it. I love blush. Everyone's like, ew, blush. I don't like pink. I love it. Love, love, love. Just under the eye, I'm gonna just do the same colors that are on the top of the eye, just straight underneath. Okay, so that is the final look, and I will see you next time. Bye.